Girl, you my love, no other cat me no prefer. Tell her me not go leave and she say great man, whatever. She say me don't make it and so much girl won't give me pleasure. But so much mean nothing if me have a girl me suffer. Cause girl, you me love, you me love. What kind of other girl you come and tell me about? No, girl, you me love, you me love. I know.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Jumping straight into the video. So today I'm doing a video basically on how I lay and slay my bob lace wig that I'll be rocking in this video, which I absolutely love. This is from rpghair.com and I absolutely love the way they packaged everything this time around, and they did so because, you know, I got this package late. It was supposed to reach me on my birthday and they were so nice to send me a gift and all. So we're gonna get straight to it. So this is just the packaging. I got a brush, as you can see here. This is the box. It's a different color from what it normally would be. It's purple, and yeah, this is what I got in there. I got this ring stand. You can put it on the back of your phone, and if like you're watching a video, it can just, you know, kind of, you can put it up on the side and watch it. So that's really cool. Now this is the wig that I'll be featuring today, and this is the Ombre Silky Straight Indian Remy hair bob style lace front wig. It's of a ombre hair color. It's 14 inches long. The wig density is 150%, and it is a glueless lace front wig cap. Now I've never worn this color before. Yes, I've worn dark brown, I've worn light blonde, I've worn gray, but I've never done this brown. And I feel like I got hair this color before and I lightened it just because I wasn't feeling it. But today I said, you know what, let me try something new. Okay, so they also sent me this doll. This is a little replica of me, just a little representation, you know. This is like, they took this from, I feel like this was so sweet of them. So this was their gift to me, and I just found it so sweet. I'm so appreciative of it. But yeah, so I proceeded to just putting on the wig to my mannequin because I wanted to just customize it. Now initially I felt like I would have needed to tweeze the front, but it came pre-plucked, and I felt like, you know what, I wanted to go ahead and rock this wig as is, to just go ahead and show you guys that, you know what, even if you're not somebody into hair that much and you can't, you know, pluck your frontal or whatever, you can still go ahead and rock the wig as is. So I'm showing you guys how the front looks right here. It looks pretty good. So all I proceeded to do is just cut off the extra lace, and yes, the lace is of a like medium brown color. So that was convenient. I didn't have to bleach anything because it's already bleached. So yeah. Alright, so after doing so, as I said, I didn't want to do too much to this wig because I wanted to show you guys that you can go ahead and you can get a really nice look from rocking the wig as is. So all I'm doing is just running through the hair with my flat iron, my old busted flat iron, which still get the job done. So yeah, nothing technical. I'm just flat ironing everything right here. But you know what I love about this hair? I love how silky it is. It is absolutely silky, and it's super flowy. Like, it has so much body, and that's exactly what I look for in wigs this texture, or hair that has these textures. So yeah, I was pretty pleased with the quality. I feel like I wanted my part to be a little, just a tad bit wider, so I went ahead and I tweezed a bit from the parting, and it was a bit too short, so I did elongate the parting a bit to just make everything a little bit more realistic. I wanted to go in with my face powder. You guys know I use a Milani Warm 109 press powder, and that's what I applied to the parting to just make everything look more skin-like and a little bit more visible as well. Alright, so I wanted to lay the hair down there a little bit more at the top, so I'm using my wand and my tail comb to just, you know, lay everything a little bit more. Now I'm done with everything, and I'm showing you guys how much body this hair has. I love the movement. Oh, and yes, it has a blunt cut. Blunt cut bobs are trending right now. So yeah, I've moved on to the application process. As you guys know, I always use my Got2b gel. This is what I'm using to help secure the front of the wig. I proceeded to applying the wig and just position it on my head. I definitely had to go in and kind of, you know, cut a little bit of layers in the front there so it could frame my face a little bit better. And I also used the end part of the comb to lay the front on my edges. So now I'm proceeding to just, you know, put some layers at the front because it was a bit too straight for my face. Okay, I didn't want to wear everything down, so I just proceeded to sing the styling portion. I pulled back a bit there I pulled back a bit of the hair there to the back, and yeah, I kind of just got the hair out of the way, and I started onto my makeup. Now, as you can see, this is also a video showing you guys a fresh face makeup look. I'm just filling in my brows here. Now, this is going to be a pretty simple and natural look, makeup look. As it said, fresh face, so it's like more on the minimalistic side. If you guys need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, one is always linked down below in the description box. So please go ahead, feel free and go and check that out. Now I proceeded to just applying a little bit of concealer. This is Fawn from LA Girls Pro Conceal, and I'm just blending out everything with my damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques. And trust me, a little bit of product goes a long way. Like, I can tell you, majority of my makeup looks do not have a lot of makeup because number one, I don't wear foundation, and it's just a little bit of concealer that I use. So I proceeded to setting my under eye, or all the areas I use concealer with my MAC Prolong Pressed powder in dark. You know, everything is showing up a little lighter on camera because of my lighting, but yeah, I'm actually using that powder in dark. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my LA Colors Mineral Press Powder, and this is in Toffee. Alright, and this is a really, you know, inexpensive powder that can get the job done as well. Alright, so this is what I'm using to balance out the rest of my face. And now I'm going to do a little bit of baking with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just applying that to all the areas I'd like to, you know, mattify a little bit more. So now I'm moving on to eyes, and I took my Morphe 25A eyeshadow palette. I'm using that like toffee like shade eyeshadow there, and this is the only eyeshadow I use in the crease of my eyes. I didn't want anything too noticeable, and I just, you know, use windshield wiper motions to get that in there, and that was it for the eyeshadow. I'm applying a bit of my mascara. This is the Sigma Monumental Lash, and I apply this to my real lashes, and then it's optional to apply falsies, especially if you're going for a fresh faced look. You just want to be super minimalistic, so yeah, the lashes are optional. Now I'm just dusting away the powder I used to bake, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of my Illuminati Illuminator from Artist Couture in the tear duct area of my eyes. I'm applying a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. If you notice, I didn't even use liner for this look. That's how simple I wanted everything to be. Moving on to Illuminator, I'm just going to apply some of my Très Chic highlighter from my Sam Marcel palette. And I'm just applying this to all the high points of my face. For for lippy, this is the final portion. I'm using Nude Pink from NYX. I know I showed 2 lip gloss, but I ended up just using that one. And my Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper, which is clear. It's a clear gloss, and I absolutely love this. If you're allergic to lip plumpers though, I'd say don't use it because it does give you a very tingly feeling, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look and this wig. I hope that this video helped you guys out. If it did, give it a thumb up and leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to use my discount code to get your wigs from rpghair.com. They're always listed down below. All the specifications on the wig will be in the description box, and the products used to achieve this makeup look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.